Hi everyone. Schools are closed and we've got a long weekend to look forward to. But the question is the weather going to behave? Let's see. Let's take our synoptic analysis all the way to the public holiday to get a better picture of exactly where we can expect rain this coming long weekend. So on Friday, we do have the Swartland moving down the west coast, therefore isolated thunderstorms expected to move down from our neighboring countries over large parts of the northern Cape. Into Saturday, those thunderstorms expected to move more south over the Karoo, parts of the western eastern Cape, and a few isolated thunderstorms moving over the central parts of South Africa, still dry over the eastern parts of the country. Into Sunday, most of the thunderstorms expected over parts of the Karoo and the Free State, much cooler conditions in those areas. And then finally, on Human Rights Day, we're expecting isolated thunderstorms over the western central parts of the country, and also a few thunderstorms likely to move over the Highveld from late afternoon. So to summarize, the next 2 days, on Friday, isolated thunderstorms expected from late afternoon over the northern Cape and parts of northwest, and those storms are expected to become scattered over the Kalahari from the evening. Into Saturday, scattered thunderstorms now expected over the Karoo, the northern as well as parts of the western and eastern Cape, and then isolated thunderstorms also expected in a band over northwest as well as the Free State. Wind-wise, a northeasterly wind expected along the east coast on Friday, with a cool southerly wind for parts of the Lowveld and a moderate southeaster becoming fresh into the late afternoon. And for the rest of the long weekend, expecting that Cape Doctor to continue blowing in Cape Town, with mainly light winds over the central parts and a northeasterly wind for the coastal areas. Temperature-wise, I would say it's going to be comfortable across South Africa this coming long weekend. Warmer maximum temperatures expected, especially over the central and eastern parts of South Africa. 25 on Friday in Pretoria, as well as Bethlehem. Extremely hot in the west, soaring to 40 degrees in Vredendal, 28 in Cape Town. Also a hot and sunny day for the southern Cape, with temperatures in the upper 20s. On Saturday, still hot in the west with 36 degrees in Vredendal, and another comfortable and warm day for the central parts of the country. Into Sunday, a little bit cooler over the Free State, parts of the Eastern Cape and KwaZulu-Natal. And then on a Monday, cooling down in Gauteng, a high of only 20 degrees in Johannesburg, but still hot and sunny over Western South Africa. So if I had to rate the weather this long weekend over the country, I would say an 8 out of 10 for the Northern Cape, just because I know the farmers won't mind the rain this weekend. A 7 out of 10 for the Western Cape due to the extreme heat in the north and the west, and that southeaster blowing in Cape Town. An 8 out of 10 for Northwest as well as Gauteng, and only a 7 out of 10 for the Eastern Cape, because most of the rain is expected over the central and northern parts, and only little rain is forecast for the drought-stricken areas. Well, that's all from me, and remember, no matter the weather, we're in this together.